welcome to all of you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha, would like to thank all of you for subscribing to both our channels, Spotify and YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to our Spotify channel, please do, because you can hear all the videos at one go, anytime, anywhere. And thank you so much for writing it to us. Thank you so much for writing in your comments and your suggestions. Today, we are going to talk on a very beautiful topic, a much awaited topic with Sir Shashti Amsha. Sir, a warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, you're known for your
So,
Shashti Amsha, and you do not want to teach it. Or rather, you say this is a chart that should be used with a lot of deliberation. So, sir, why do you say that it should be used with a lot of deliberation? Is my question.
yeah, today I will prove that a bit
Right, sir.
because Parasharji has laid maximum importance to
Yes,
Shashtiyamsha.
yes,
And he has said Shashtiyamsha is the final decider
yes,
of the qualities, etc., of every planet.
right,
You have to actually identify who is that planet and how qualified he is.
right.
That is the main aim. Now, in D60, I have read in all books and watched some videos also. They all talk about
The deities.
deities of Shashtiyamsha.
Right,
And today I am going to talk about deities only. But in our main webinar,
right, sir.
I will not talk about deities.
Sir, so what are you going to talk about in the main webinar that we are going to hold with sir on 11th of April in English? So, sir, what is it that we are
No
going to
other aspects like a normal chart, how you read it. Where do I start reading a D60? Not
right?
by deities,
Okay, and
not
why
by
not?
deities.
And why not just by deities is the question that you are going to make it very clear in
Why
this.
not deities? Because you always classify deities as good or bad
Right,
with the name
associated with it.
associated with the deity.
Right.
But with that name, there is a full history and mythology.
Yes.
What are the qualities of that deity or that thing which is the deity?
Hmm.
So, what that deity can deliver,
Hmm.
that is very important.
Hmm.
So, not normally, see, a good deity, you say Shubh deity,
Hmm.
where he will bring Shubhta,
In whatever field it is associated with.
whichever field. And Shubhta means great support.
Hmm.
And a Ashubh deity will not support.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
So that is the real meaning only.
right, right, sir.
So I just want to demonstrate that what Shubh deities can do
Hmm.
if a bad planet is in a Shubh deity,
Right.
what influence he can give. He will increase the bad influence.
Yes, because
So
he's
you can
yes,
take a chart if you want. You can take a chart.
that's okay, sir. So this is a chart of a person born and brought up in the US and Dama. And I've also put in his Sashti Amsha
Yes,
there.
Shashtiyamsha.
Right,
Now,
sir.
if you see this Shashtiyamsha, very strong Shashtiyamsha.
Yes.
Saturn, Lagna Lord is in Lagna
Yes.
with Yoga Karak Venus,
Venus. Aspected by
aspected by Jupiter. Although Jupiter is not a functional
Benefic.
benefit, but the natural aspect is there.
Right, sir.
So this should be a very big horoscope, very good. If I take the time of birth as correct and Shashtiyamsha Lagna is correct, very good. Then you see what is Saturn, in which deity Saturn is.
Hmm.
Now Saturn is in Parveen deity.
Right. Right.
Now how to use it, how to see the deity,
Right.
just a 1 minute I will take. See, every half a degree,
Shishtiyamsha
one
changes.
Shashtiyamsha changes.
Right.
So multiply the longitude of the planet or the ascendant by 2.
Hmm.
So many Shashtiyamshas are over.
Right.
Take the next. Okay.
The minutes.
So Saturn is in 24 degrees.
Yes, sir.
24 into 2 is 48
48 is over.
and 40 minutes.
30. Huh.
So
40.
38, 49 is over.
Right, sir.
So Saturn is in the 50th Shashtiyamsha in a odd sign.
Right.
It is in a odd sign.
Yeah.
And 50th Shaktiamsha of an odd sign is Praveen.
Right.
That the person is very expert in his work.
Work. Yes.
Now this Saturn is Lagna Lord. It
Hmm.
is with Venus.
Hmm.
And the story of this gentleman is he used to commit murders. 16 murders are on record, which could be proved.
The fair point
And
is on record. On record, and it's just 16. So
it
we
could be
don't.
more.
Yes. In all probabilities. Yes.
Yeah, because he said he don't remember.
Ah. Yes.
And he was awarded 16 life terms in jail
Yeah.
because in that state capital punishment was not allowed.
Hmm.
And after spending 2 years, about some years in jail, he was killed by a fellow prisoner with a hammer.
All right.
He was beaten with a hammer, his skull was broken, and he was
Yes.
killed.
Right.
So this is so far the Parveenata, the
The expertise. Ah.
expertise goes. Where this expertise was directed, he could not be caught for 16 murders
Yes. Or
in
more.
Venus Dasha.
Hmm. Hmm.
Average was every 2 3 months, one murder in the
Yes.
same state or nearby. And when these murders are taking place and you are not able to find out
Hmm.
what is Venus, Venus in the Shashtyamsha are called Payodhi.
Hmm.
Payodhi means deep sea
Deep sea. Yeah. It's a name given to the seas. Yes.
and it is termed as a Shubh
So yes.
Shashtyamsha.
Right.
What is the real meaning? You cannot understand or fathom the
How
depth of an
the
ocean.
ocean.
Payodhi is an ocean.
Hmm.
So nobody could trace his crime. He was in Payodhi.
So, sir, here we can come to the conclusion that if we want to just read the Shashti Amsha with the deities, we are doing a great crime to the chart
We can go badly wrong if you read the deities
only.
and read his Venus Dasha.
Hmm.
You will say He will be at the top of his world.
And he was. And he was. It's just
He
that he was
was.
on. Yes.
But in which direction?
Shan. Yes.
So that direction is to be first established, and then Shashtri will tell you up to what height
It
that
can.
direction will go.
Sir, so a question here is, how do we establish, or from where do we establish that?
It is the basic knowledge,
That,
basics.
that
I
is the
will
divan.
explain, I will take this chart again
Right, sir.
in our main webinar
Right, sir.
and tell you
Okay.
where it is seen.
Okay, sir. So,
Okay,
so the divan or the basics of astrology are very
other
important.
thing.
Right.
See, for D60, Parasharji has said it is seen for all areas and it is the final chart.
So we're coming back to where we started, that it is seen, and the auxiliary and everything can be got from the basics and everywhere.
Yes.
So it was a very, very
So that is why I do not teach this. No, to add more fire,
right, sir.
let us consider Ketu also.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Ketu Dasha came before Venus,
Right.
and Ketu is in Brahman Shashtiyamsha,
A Brahmin is a person who's into
who
learning
is
and
doing
teaching.
all the puja part, etc., praying Lord, everything. But what he was doing, he was getting training,
Yeah.
getting
What was
prepared for Venus.
right.
He used to commit petty crimes, स्टोर से सामान चुरा लिया, टैक्सी चुरा
Yeah.
लिए, रास्ते में जाते somebody he will,
Murder, or he will
yes,
snatch things from.
small
Yes.
bulgari, snatch, all these things. That was he was doing in Ketu. And all three are in a wonderful, very Shubh Shashti Aksha.
Right.
Nobody talks in this in their videos.
Right. Sir, so what you are actually saying is, don't see the Shashti Amsha with exclusively the deities. You are going to go horribly wrong. And here is something that we are going to discuss in our webinar, and more to it, connecting it to profession, connecting it to many other things. So,
Yeah, yeah, we can see anything. Up to what height he will go in his profession.
okay,
But what is the basic potential
has to be a certain first.
of the horoscope?
Right. So,
See, birth chart is the seed or the mother
of
of
all the divisions.
all these things. So from there we have to see first.
So, this is one of the most exciting and enlightening topics that we are going to talk about in our D60 webinar, going to be held on the 11th of April. The thing is that if you want to know, understand how D60 functions rightly, don't wait, write to us on our WhatsApp or register from our website. Till we meet with you again.
Only thing I say,
Right, sir.
one who is conversant,
In basics.
basic astrology, they only should apply it. They should learn it, attend the webinar.
Right, sir.
But until you are good, don't apply it. Learn it. Some tips I will give.
Very beautiful, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Till we meet
Thank
with you again now.
you. My
Thank you, sir.
pleasure.
Thank you, sir.
Good day.
Please hit
Thank
the bell icon for fresh updates. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the videos, and please subscribe to our channel.